Students, today I'll explain you chapter 15 probability. Chapter 15 probability is this. Probability words, especially word, it has come from the probability and possibility. One word is very famous, possibility. Here the some words which are hard that I am telling that will be used many times in the chapter. Occurrence, random, probably, experimental, theoretical, tossing, spade, club, uncertainty, identical. Okay, again I am repeating: occurrence, random, probably, experimental, theoretical, tossing, spade, club, uncertainty, identical. Okay, now introduction. In our day-to-day life, when we are not sure of happening an event, when we are not sure of happening an event, we use the word probably. We use the word probably. For example, probably it may rain today. This time rainy season is there. We can speak it may rain today. Even though sunshine is there, we are seeking that, but any time the clouds will come and it will start to rain. It is possible that India may win T20 World Cup. Means we are not very sure India definitely won the T20 World Cup because the many teams are there and every team having the fighting spirit and everybody of the team members want to win the match. Okay, any country can win, so therefore we are not very sure India will win definitely the T20 World Cup. Chances are Abhishek is not going to pass in board examination. After seeing the present situation of the Abhishek, we can speak that chances are there Abhishek will not pass in the board examination. But this is not very sure because maybe in examination he will do much better and he will be pass. Okay, examination time he will do the study. So before that, we cannot speak that is very sure that he will be fail. In all the above statements, probably, chance, possible, etc., convey the sense of an uncertainty about the occurrence of some particular event. Okay, again I am repeating. In all the above statements, probably, chance, possible, etc., convey the sense of an uncertainty about the occurrence of some particular event. It appears that there cannot be any exact measurement for these uncertainty. Exact measurement is not there for their uncertainties. Just like we are measuring the distance in the meter, centimeter, okay, kilometer. We are measuring the potato, rice in the kg, grams. In that way, any certain measurement is not there for the probability. For the uncertainties, a measure of uncertainty is provided by a branch of mathematics called the theory of probability. The chance of happening an event when expressed quantitatively means we are expressing in 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 2. So that time it is called the quantitatively, is called probability. Now the probability is of the two kinds, experimental probability and the theoretical probability. Difference between that is the basic difference between these probability is that experimental probability is based on what has happened, while theoretical probability is attempt what will happen. Means first we have to do experiment. On the basis of the experiment we can come on any result. That is coming theoretical probability. Okay. Now probability of an event. So for that formula I am telling you, probability of an event. Probability of an event. We are denoting with this P. E. P means what? Probability of an event, and P means probability, and E for event. Equals favorable outcomes, means what we want, favorable outcomes, and there will be total number of outcomes. So what is the difference between the favorable outcomes and total number of outcomes? One example I am giving you, like if you toss the head, there the possibility is there, either it will come head or tail. Okay, then total number of outcomes are there 2. But if my question is there, what is the probability to get the head? So that time you have to write what, head upon, or one time the head is there, no? So 1 upon 2. You have to write what, 1 upon 2. What is the probability to get the head? 1 by 2. So this is the 1 is the favorable outcomes, and the 2 is the what? Total number of outcomes. In this way we can use this formula. Probability of an event will be what? Favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Now in the probability, some things are there that are very important that you have to understand. The probability of any event lies between 0 and 1. Probability of any event lies between 0 and 1. Means ki probability cannot be negative. Probability cannot be negative. Probability cannot be negative. Second condition, probability cannot be more than 1. If 1 is there, that means 100% possibility is there. Okay. So more than 1 means probability cannot be negative, and probability cannot be more than 1. It can be 0, it can be 1. It can be 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 7, but it cannot be minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. So that means always the probability lies between 0 and 1. Means 0 is also possible, 1 is also possible, but 2 is what? That is impossible. Minus 2 is what? Impossible. Minus 3 is impossible. So this is the important thing. The probability of an impossible event is what? 0. If any event is there that is impossible, that is what? 0. Means that thing is not possible. Okay. Suppose you cannot get the in maths out of 100, 150 marks. At 101 marks you cannot get. So this is an impossible event. 150 out of 100 in maths you cannot get in maths or any subject. Okay, if 100 marks paper is there, you cannot get more than 100 there. Yes, profit and the loss can be 150% and 200%, 300%, but in the case of the marks that cannot be. So this is called the impossible event. And the sure event is there. Sure event where we are very sure, means 100% we are sure, that is called the what? 1. Their sure event, their probability will be what? 1. Here just like the impossible probability is there, therefore the probability will be what? 0. But for the sure event, that will be what? 1. A sure event is there, like the after the night day will be there. Suppose today is the what? 27th date, then tomorrow will be definitely 28th July. There will be no excuse for that. If today is the what? Monday, then definitely tomorrow will be Tuesday. So that is called the sure event. Okay. So three things I have told. The probability always lie between 0 and 1, and probability uh, when the impossible event is there, that time probability is 0, and when the 100% probability is there, that means sure event is there, that time 1 is the probability. Okay. Now the probability where we use, some examples we are taking, like we are using the playing cards. Okay, we are using the playing cards. In that, how the probability is involved, that you will see. You know that students, the total number of playing cards are of 52. A pack of playing cards that are total 52, and these 52 cards are divided into first two varieties, that are the black cards and the red cards. Black cards and the red. And black cards are there, total are 52, so half 26 is the black cards and 26 is the red card. Now this black cards and the red cards, again divided black cards in the what? Two types of the black cards are there. One is the spade and one is the club. In Hindi we are speaking spade hukum and club chidi. And the same way the red cards also defined in the two, that are heart are also 13, and the diamond is also 13. Okay. Now this 13, now the 13 cards of the each spade, club and the heart and diamond, these 13 cards we can divide in like this way: A, J, Q, K, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here you will see that A, J, Q, K, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These 2 to 10 cards, that all are called the number card, because their numbering are there, therefore that is called the number cards. This from where? 2 to 10. And from A to K, that are called the honor cards. HONOUR, honor cards. Which are there? A, J, Q, K. These 4 cards are called the what? Honor cards. Okay. In that J, Q, K, that is called the face cards. 3 are the face cards. 3 are the face cards, and A name is what? That is the A means ace, and J for jack, and Q for queen, and K for king. K for king. Okay. Ace, J, jack, queen and king. So 4 cards are there. Out of 13 cards, 4 are the what? Honor cards. In that, the one is the ace, jack, queen and king. There students have seen the face cards are there, because the face is there, printed there, face is there, jack, queen and king, therefore that is called the face card. In the pack, total pack of the 52 cards, the total number of face cards are 3 4 is 12. 3 of the spade, 3 of the club, 3 of the heart, 3 of the diamond. And honor cards are there, 16, 4 4, 16. And the number cards are there, 9 9 9 and 9, 36. So 36 ऑनर कार्ड्स है. So these are the about the what the about the playing cards. Okay. Okay, students. Thank you.